What?
Okay, I'm live now. Oh wait, this says Biddy
What?
Vision. We don't want Biddy Vision.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Yo, is
Alright,
that
I'm
average
streaming as
Kno
well.
enjoyer already? Happy Tuesday.
Hello, dude. Happy Tuesday.
Time to see if it
Tuesday in
runs.
some places in the world.
Is it Tuesday? Today's Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah, are you?
I was just
Yeah,
double checking,
answer's
okay?
yes. Answer's yes, by the way, for anyone curious.
Can you, have you invited me to the stream together?
I did.
Oh, it still doesn't work, by the way.
It doesn't?
Oh, did I pull your
Did you
changes?
change it? No, you didn't.
I just closed Godot and reopened it. It didn't pull your changes.
Yeah, you did. I told you pull my... You still haven't pulled my changes.
I'm working on it.
Dude,
Collect my changes.
Sure. Collect my 7 changes. Except it's more like 63 at any given time.
Yeah, like 67.
So I'm actually going to unstash my changes from earlier. 67?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me send out my stream announcement because we're live. Oh yeah, guys, my mic sounds good now.
Changes.
Join my stream. My mic sounds good.
We're testing PNG. That's true. His mic does sound better. I would still not recommend going over there though. But hello, Benny BB. How you doing? Dude, can you join the stream together, please?
Yeah, sorry.
This motherfucker. Also, what is that? Oh, I thought that was a slug cat for some reason, but it's not.
Wow.
Black cat, look.
Bro, just seeing
Thank
what
you.
he wants to see.
Is that like a right now emote, or is that like you got that at some other time? I think it's you got it at some other time because I'm not seeing it in my emote list. Oh shit, I just learned I can add blocked terms to my Twitch chat. I should totally add the term Unity. And just like not let people talk about Unity.
This is true.
It's not true. I wouldn't do that. If it was in the engine, it would be Unreal. Okay, we are sharing chat.
Yay!
And I'm going to kill this file. Here's the
Okay, let's see if this works this time.
Boom. Boom. And then apply stash. I haven't even started drinking my tea yet because I've been
Dinking my tea.
yeah, and criticizing your ability to edit a short.
Hey.
Yeah. Can you believe it, guys? JW edited a short together, and it was pretty good. Stop opening up on the main monitor, dude. All right. Let's see if the direction stuff is a thing. I don't know why this is like out of order. It totally shouldn't be. Oh, there we go. Yes, now it has knockback.
Okay, let's see if this works.
What was the weirdness with it? Again?
It was just crashing. It was crashing just like yours was.
No. I meant
Oh.
not your crashing. What was the weirdness with the movement?
With the movement, it was.
Is it if you do them together, you go like way high?
Now it's weird as well. It's like, did you change it?
Yours isn't. No, maybe, but I don't think so.
No, because it would let me do it before like this. Now it, yeah, something's really weird.
Let me take a look if I changed anything. I don't
definitely
remember
changed
changing
something.
anything about. I will say right now mine is working, so that's pretty cool.
Let me look at the code.
Oh,
What?
what is this doing? Why is that there? Shotgun, yeah, it did some gravity stuff early, but I did
Yeah,
something
it was something with that.
allegedly.
Allegedly.
The only change I have in player movement is this line of these 2 lines of code. So if you want to
Which
try
two
those out
lines?
on yours and
Let me
see.
see. Where?
Player movement line 145, change it from this
145.
if
Oh, player movement.
145. Control L. Oh, you were literally right
It's right
there.
here.
Oh no, that's what you've got. Oh no, sorry, that's the change that you pushed up. Sorry. I'm
What?
stupid. I was looking at the changes that I
Oh,
pulled,
yeah.
not the changes that I have. Oh yeah, there are some changes.
Oh yeah.
I am not 100% sure. Oh,
Oh, did
because
you
it's being
get
multiplied
rid
by
of
delta
that?
now.
Oh wait. Oh.
Yeah, because
Oh,
yours
I
is
see.
being moved toward always, but this is
Yeah.
by delta. You know what probably happened? I think I made some changes to the player scene, not the player file. I'll just push.
Just push those up
This
too.
isn't like ready to be pushed up 100%, but whatever. I'll just.
Well, you wanted to figure out what the issue was, so
Yeah, I did.
probably
Yeah,
be
I got it.
helpful
Don't
if we're
worry.
dealing with
I'll
the same
push it
thing,
up. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll push it up.
rather than you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, dude, we're pushing up more shit.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck. I might as well just like keep pushing shit up. Not that doesn't matter. I need to actually remove
Okay.
this as well.
I'll draw while you're doing that.
Yeah, draw some shit. Also, hello,
Oh yeah, we
Dovos
got the
over in
pointy
YouTube chat.
sword. Is that Dovos over in YouTube chat?
Dovos from
YouTube chat?
No, yeah, but no.
But nah. Wow, okay.
I was gonna say from Pirate Software Discord server, but let's not be reductive and reduce someone to solely a member in that server. That's
This guy hates Pirate Software, by the way.
existence. That's not true entirely. It's a little bit more nuanced than that.
Yeah, fair.
You're in mine too. Yeah, that's true. But I'm like, I have this thing where I'm just like, oh yeah, that's Dovos from Pirate Software because that's where I met you from.
Wow.
It's like, this is JW from my server. So that's where I met him from, unfortunately.
Yes, very unfortunate.
Indicator testing. What is this exactly?
Hmm?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You're not getting a crash? You're not getting errors right now?
No, I wasn't.
Can you go back to your... Do you have Godot closed? Or do you still have it open? Can you go to the player scene?
The player scene?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you scroll down? Is there anything called like indicator in there? Enemy indicators. Yeah. Can you open the script on that? Oh, it's not doing anything because it's entirely inside of this script. I see. Yeah, I'll push that up as well.
Okay. I'm just gonna close Godot and then pull everything when you're done.
Yeah. Yeah, that might be the play. Sorry.
Worst programmer ever.
It's true.
Just kidding.
He's telling no lies.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is true.
Oh, fuck, I do push this up too.
Okay, we got pointy sword.
Too. And this. Sure. Get rid of as many of these as I can. I don't think these matter. I can kill these. I hate these temp files, by the way. I kind of want to add like a git ignore for them. Oh, at some point I also need to fix our git issue. How we have two different asset folders.
Oh, I thought we fixed that.
No.
Oh, okay.
We don't see it because we're on Windows.
Oh.
But it exists because we have a lowercase assets and an uppercase assets.
I thought we fixed that.
Nope. One of us is not saving it. It might be on your end, to be honest. It might be things that you save under assets. Use the capital or the lowercase or one of the two. I'm not 100% sure. It might just be like a git config, but I don't quote me on that. Miss changes. City likes to hoard. Also, hello, Kamamoon.
Hello.
I think that should be good. If you want to pull those changes now. Here's hoping.
Perchance it'll work.
Perchance. What'd you change in Worm Room?
Oh, I added to the tile map, so it looked nicer. I can kill
see.
that, I don't need it.
Okay. I mean, you could also just stash that one file and unstash, but whatever.
Too much work. Hello? Did it pull?
I'm assuming so. You can click on history and see. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
God, I'm so hyper today. What the fuck?
I'm so tired today. Blech. Blech.
I also want to find out why the fuck this is not sorted. Where is it? That's in debug menu, I think. Sort card.name. Console.print card.name. What exactly are you going to show? This might actually like crash. I don't know if console's going to be populated yet. Yeah, that's a problem. Oh no, wait, no, sorry. Card.card name is the problem apparently. Oh, I also wanted to fix the on-screen God, there's so many things I want to do.
I'll just do them all.
Okay, yeah, that will. Huh?
Just do them all, obviously.
That's true. I wanted to fix the on-screen console so it's not as gross and it's not just a bunch of rich text labels.
Yeah, so it doesn't like lag out the entire game.
Yeah. I wanted to just use the because I can just use the
Yeah, there we go. Now it's working.
String functions.
It still feels like it might be slightly different than intended than it was before.
Probably.
But yeah, the
Almost
main thing
certainly.
is so for example here, when you do this and you shoot again, I think I'd ideally want it to just give you like a double jump sort of, instead of just like slowing down your fall. So have it just like reset your gravity.
Override it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
because that's just what I like. Obviously that doesn't make logical sense, but that's what I'd expect. That's how I'd expect
I see.
it to
So
act.
what you could do. Let me look at this.
So maybe if you want
so you're talking about
a little bit while I draw.
I'm gonna turn up the this one thing that maybe could be an issue with this is if how do you feel about the player having infinite attack speed or like really high attack speed and being able to just like use that to fly?
That's fine. That's fun.
That's fine. Okay, fair enough. I just didn't know if you had an issue with that.
I mean, they can already kind of do that.
So you're talking about whenever you're going down like that, instead of it just like slowing you down.
Yeah, it should just reset
like
the gravity.
Like that. Yeah. Sorry, I took damage because I still have a bind to damage the player, so that I can. What you say, Dante? Ooh. Oh yeah, that's gonna fail. Star movement driver is player movement. Movement driver. Oops, movement. My hand started typing something other than what I was trying to, which was really cool.
Many such cases.
There we go. I should. Yeah, whatever. This is upset because of static compilation. But this should be fine. I think this will like fix the issue. The game's coming along really well. We are at the point where a lot of the systems that I've been working to kind of modularize and make more usable are usable. So JW has actually been able to make like functionality changes without me going in and coding them. Like for example, if I add some stickers, so here's the SMG normally. Oh. Why is the SMG click instead of hold down click?
I don't know. Maybe I accidentally.
That's probably almost certainly a me issue.
Yeah.
100% a me issue.
Yeah, I did not touch that I know.
Oh, I know what that is. It's some shit that I did in here. Fuck. Yeah.
He's really good at breaking random things.
I am. Give me a moment. Sorry, Dovos. I'll just show it with the pistol. That's a very recent change to stop the player from controlling during cutscenes. So here's the pistol shooting normally. And then you can go in here and you can upgrade it with a sticker. Hopefully I get a cool sticker. If not, I didn't. That's fine. I'll just fucking add one. So here's like the size sticker. And whenever I shoot, the bullet is not larger. What? Was that size? Size upgrade?
Yeah, that's it. Did you break it? Did I change something? Oh,
Did you
maybe
change
I
it to, like,
changed the
projectile.tsc?
projectile. I might have.
No, you did, but it should still be.
Yeah, it should.
Give me a moment. We apparently just did a bunch of changes that broke things that we didn't know about. Yeah, no, very
Because I did
classic,
change
know.
like a little bit with the projectiles, but it should still work.
Yeah,
far
it
as I know.
should. Console.print size. Are you a thing? You are a ref counted. Size. Size. You are 14. Scale should be up, but it's not. Can character bodies be scaled?
Yeah,
I don't remember.
Pretty sure. Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm. Oh.
found it. It was a me thing.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, there we go. That card's fucked forever. So if I go ahead and add this now, sorry, growing pains. It should be yeah. Now this is a larger bullet, and if we were to add another one, it'll be even larger. But we can also add things like we have bounce sticker. I don't know why that's a camera still.
Because I was just testing out the art for that because we don't have. I know what art I want to do for all of them, but I just haven't implemented them all yet.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we have.
I have all the
some
art.
really
I just
cool-
haven't set them properly.
Yeah. So we have some really cool stickers that you can do. Like certain ones, like heavy bullet. Heavy bullet's really fun because it, as you can probably predict, makes the bullet have gravity, so it will bounce around. And then this also does still affect enemies. So if I were to spawn in a dummy here, hopefully that hits it. It's not going to. That's a wait. Oh, it did. Nice. So it still hits. We can also do some really cool ones. This one hasn't been fully fleshed out. I don't think you've pushed up the art for this one, which is the
Which one?
Pierce sticker. Oh no, you did.
Yeah,
It's
I
just
did.
that. So the Pierce sticker is really cool. Whenever you place it, it pops a little hole into the card, and that actually shows up in game and goes behind the card, and that will make it go through the enemy that it hits up to the amount of Pierce that you have. Actually, is it? Yeah, it's just one more. I don't know if you wanted to make it so that this pierces like multiple times, or if it's just one, but
I think it should just be one.
okay. And it's also easy to change.
Maybe
Ah.
multiple. I don't know.
They are down there bouncing, and I hear them hitting the ground every time.
Yes, that's.
Um,
You're not going to have more than like. You're not going to have that many bounce stickers in one, but if you want to add like a something to fix that, you can. But I don't think that's going to be a case that will happen. And if it does, they'll just have to deal with it.
That doesn't update in real time? I thought that would. Oh no, it's because No? Weird. I thought that would update in real time because it's this resource. It's not local to scene. That's a little surprising, to be honest. What if I were to redeal these cards? It might be done on card. I think I know what it is. I think it's done on card recalculation. So it's cached. So it doesn't do it every single time you fire a bullet. So if I were to just give it like, I don't know, a little extra damage. Yeah, okay, so now it pierces through a bunch of them. So if I were to add a few more DPS dummies, it will go through probably 4 or 5 times. I think it'll go through 5 times because it's set to 4 additive, so it should break on the next one it hits. It does. So that's cool, and that's fun. And then, we also have relics, but they're not They're not as implemented in game currently. Some of them are, like explosive enemies is really cool, because I'm sure you can guess what that does. If I were to just hit the fuck out of this guy, whenever he dies, he does a little explosion, which is really cool. So if I were to spawn in this dummy and put him next to another dummy, whenever he dies, he explodes. The explosion should be a little larger. You can see he's not getting hit, but you can see that happens. And then if I were to make a chain of them next to each other, they will actually explode in a chain, which is really fun because it's all from the player. I think I spawned the wrong dummy in. I did. That one doesn't die. So that's cool and fun. So yeah, we're having fun with it still. And we also have a boss that is being worked on a little bit here and there,
A little bit.
as well as an intro cutscene for the boss. And then he has a little bit of a phase. Cool. That broke again. Dope. Why? Hold on. Something's big broken right now.
Achoo.
Something is like big broken, actually.
Oh.
I can't click. I can't click.
You can't click. Oh.
Can't click.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the boss health bar is on top of everything.
Oh. Yeah, that would make it difficult to click.
Yeah. I actually might change the way that that's happening, because I hate having to go in here and make sure that this isn't blocking mouse input. There we go. Now I can click. Oh, wait, no, just kidding. I'm clicking on something else. Oh, his title card is in the way of everything. Terrific. His title bar is under Worm Boss. Because I haven't put this into a scene yet, but JW said that he hates this text. So
Yeah, it's
he hates that this.
kind of bad.
It's like, I hate that the boss health bar or that the boss title card comes up. I don't think you should have one.
I didn't say that, actually.
That's not what he said at all. Oh, actually, I need to revisit the controls, actually, because I can't click here. That's annoying.
No?
Whatever. I'll just move this back to fucking. So where is it?
It's okay.
Controls.gtv. Yeah, I'll just add it to a note, or I'll figure it out eventually. We'll find out.
You'll figure it out.
Probably. I guess we'll find out though.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Finish the pistol. How does this look?
Oh, cool. It's like a Luger morph, almost.
Kind of. Yeah. Somewhere.
Okay, what was I gonna do? There was something I said like an hour ago that I wanted to do.
No clue. I guess it's over.
Oh my god. God, it was something with the console, the on-screen console. First off, I want to fix this. That probably won't be the only thing that I do. Hopefully, it doesn't take me off stream to do that.
Yeah, subtle foreshadowing.
So rather than using labels, because currently in the debug menu, wherever it's in menus.tscm, right? Yeah, we just have a bunch of rich text labels, which is ass. So instead, we're going to go to the on-screen console, because this was made in a rush, in a sweat at 3 a.m. These are fine. This guy does not matter. I think instead of doing this here, I will have a draw function. which will just loop over all of the text items. Well, I need an I, don't I? What is this for? Let me think about this.
I'm thinking, what if we give the current pistol a little extended mag and make it an auto pistol so it's like different? So it's not just like a generic pistol. I guess that might be too similar to the SMG though.
Yeah, I don't really like that. I think it's fine for it to be just like a faster, better pistol. I think it's fine to just be a simple upgrade.
Yeah, it's fair.
SMG can be a full auto, and then we could also have a burst pistol as well, which would be kind of similar to the Meow 36, just like maybe weaker, a little bit more range on their variation on it.
Yeah, it could be faster too. But we could also come up with like more weapons too
cool
that aren't
ideas.
just like generic pistol number one.
Yeah, we need a gun that shoots fish.
Yes,
like in Dungeon.
Or a bullet that shoots guns.
Or a letter R that shoots the word bullet.
I hate the letter R. It's so bad.
It's
it might
so good.
be the worst
so
gun
beautiful.
in the entire game.
You're so
It might
wrong.
genuinely be the worst game in the entire game.
Oh shit, I need a font to draw this in. Can I just do like...
I want to play
some
Gungeon.
font?
You're mean.
What the fuck do you mean? I just brought up the game that you use for inspiration for everything.
I guess I should probably draw the salmon too, given that we're probably going to have those in here. I forget what a salmon look like. I forgot what salmon look like. First, you make like a blob shape for the fin.
The fish.
The fin. Let me color it red.
Fragment 3 should be string, but it's text item. You're so right, dude. I need to tell this to... Q redraw if text Q dot is empty, but that.
It's like multiple multiple. Okay, can you read
Yeah,
that?
Yeah, sure. Feels like multiple games include a sentient gun that makes wisecrack jokes / is annoying. That's true. There's literally a whole game about it called High on Life, and it's okay.
It's okay.
It's all right.
It looks kind of funny, but I don't like it. The gameplay wise, it doesn't look very special.
Yeah.
But it looks like a funny idea.
I don't know if this is gonna print anything. I guess I don't have anywhere that I'm printing shit, am I? Player.gd. Surprise, bitch. Time to press the debug teleport button. Console.print test. Oh shit, you're still printing. Well, actually, that's not entirely true. I don't know if that's... on screen console. All of you need to have your modulate set to 0 so that I can't see you. Ah, okay. So it is not drawing my text correctly.
Rip.
Is it because I'm doing vector2.up instead of vector2.down? It is! Okay, cool. So you would be where exactly? Hmm. So I guess first thing is I actually need to find out what this coordinate system it's using is. Draw circle. Add vector 2.0. Okay, so you are over there. Can I tell this to align you downward? You've just got horizontal alignment. Bottom left corner using the baseline of the font. Fuck. Okay, I can just add the font size, I think, for that. Ideally, the font size, I think, should just be in pixels, right? Buffer, pause, vector 2, 0.16. Okay, does that work? Almost. Those look like perfectly lined up. There's no way. That's sick. If I put this at like 17, is this off by 1 now? I'll be damned, it is. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do an add export bar. Font size will be 16. Add export bar spacing will be, I don't know, like 4 pixels each or something. And we will do I'll add font size plus spacing. And I'll get rid of that ugly ass red circle up there. Oh, cool. We're not drawing anymore. Oh, because those are 0.
Guys, rate the salmon.
The salmon.
I'll probably make some different sized one.
That's a pretty good salmon. Are they gonna flop around?
Yeah.
So hello, Chaos Metamorph. How you doing?
I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna make them flop around, but they'll flop around, yeah.
Why are these? Oh, that's the old print labels, I think, being... I mean, like, kill all of these. Comment this out for a moment. Date labels, you do not matter anymore. You do not matter anymore. Correct?
I don't matter anymore.
Don't matter anymore. Correct.
No.
Yup. Yep.
It's over for me.
Why are we not drawing? You were drawing just fine like a second ago. You were literally drawing fine, like... What the hell? What the helly? Creating the modular mechanics to create the game easier? Yeah. Typically. That's like the ideal, I would say. However, first I gotta figure out why the hell this isn't drawing anymore.
What the hell, yeah.
Vector 2.0. Imagine if it only draws when the circle's there. That'd be kind of funny.
That would be very funny.
Okay, now the circle isn't drawing. Not text cube is empty. Console.print text cube. Oh, duh, I can't print the console because the console's not working. I was like, oh, dude, I'm gonna use the console to debug the console as if that's a thing I can do. Stupid.
What a silly guy. Stupid. Where'd the salmon go?
Why
There's the
is
salmon.
execute an erase item into erase? To erase is only a thing if execute outside.
Yeah, the salmon looks pretty good in
Print
entrance.
text item dot remaining time. You should have time on you, buddy. Oh, you're what? Add text. Add text item.
Yo, we got a raid.
Color.
Hello, Kinexus. How are you doing?
Hello. Hi.
What were you working on tonight?
Bro is like tired as hell. You can just tell.
I'm very tired.
Oh, because max text count is 0.
Hey, yes, any raid is better than no
Oopsies.
raid. This is true, even though we sometimes don't raid people if we're lazy.
This is true. I'll say we can have 16 messages for now, but I think that more than that is like
I'm drawing a
it's Rust
salmon.
for the first time in a long while. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Was it a good time?
You should have played Arc Raiders.
No, okay, buddy.
All right,
No, Rust is fun.
Arc
Sometimes.
Raiders is
Honestly,
fun.
wait, did you play Rust with us, JW?
Me? No, I've never played Rust ever.
Okay, then I think it was with Otter. We played Rust and he was not having a good time. It was either him or Stefa or you, and I guess it's not you. But
I don't think it was me. I think I remember. Maybe I remember you guys playing more Rust like once. I don't think I played though.
I fucking love playing Rust with just like some
don't-
friends.
I don't understand why you would do that. It doesn't look very fun.
All right,
But
buddy.
maybe it is. I don't know. Just hop on
This
Arc
is, like,
Raiders, bro.
terrible. Just hop on our Raiders. Fuck you.
It's so much better. This guy hates me.
Uh-huh. Okay, so
Hmm.
that prints out, which is cool. I would. Oh, oops, that's not the one that needs to be removed. It is. Draw circle.
There's like
Up.
building, that's fair. That's what Minecraft is for.
All right, buddy. That is bar border padding is what, like 4, probably. 4 pixels away from the edge of the screen. It's like fine enough, right?
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah.
Yeah, he has no idea. This dude has no idea what I'm doing.
This is true.
Border.
I'm just sitting here
padding,
drawing
plus
salmon.
Border padding.
There
Oh
we
yeah,
go.
'cause
That
that's gonna
salmon
be
looks
0,
better.
'cause I
He's one
haven't
bright.
Changed it. Currently coded in Rust. Oh, wrong Rust. I was thinking about trying Rust again. I was
Uh-oh.
thinking about doing some more stuff with Bevy at some point.
Bevy.
Or Bevy. Bev.
Bev.
Bevlytic. Wait a minute. I dropped Godot just because Bevlytic is like kind of a fire name.
It's. I'm sorry, it's kind of not.
Bevlytic? I don't know, man.
It's kind of not. No offense
Dub
to it.
Why is this not? I thought this reset the velocity, but I guess it doesn't. Velocity equals.
And we'll keep the salmon flat so you can like flop on the ground, you know? He's almost like kind of sideways.
Mhm. I see. This is based on some shit. Whatever. I'll figure it out eventually. I'll think about that again.
Mm-hmm. Many such cases.
Okay, so that works. I need to make this fade out rather than just popping out of existence. Yeah. Let's do that. On-screen console. So we will do what? For the last like half second. What does this end up looking like? Text item dot remaining time. If this is less than 0.5. Oh, I'm like thinking of evil things. I'm like, this could totally just be a shader, but it totally couldn't. So whatever. So I was like, this is like a lot of like doing, just like checking things to draw the modulate differently, but
No,
Whatever.
don't do it. Don't do it, twin.
No, it's fine. I thought about it for 2 seconds and I was like, actually, that would be a bitch. So we're not doing that. Our ratio is text item dot remaining time divided by 0.5. Actually, I could totally just like do this, and then ratio is equal to clamp f. Ratio 0, 0.5, and then we will say times ratio. Does that work? That's not going to work. See, because I can't just like.
Does this small salmon look salmon enough?
What the fuck did you just ask me?
Does this small salmon look salmon enough?
I think so.
It's
Yeah.
hard to say. It's a small
it looks
salmon looks
salmon
salmon. Small. Never mind. I'm not gonna.
I don't
I'm
know
not
if I've
gonna
ever
try
seen a
that.
baby salmon, to be honest with you. I
Bro
don't know
has
if they're the
never
same
played Minecraft Bedrock Edition.
Minecraft Bedrock Edition.
That's the only thing I know
OG.
about Bedrock Edition is they have different sized salmon compared to the Java has
baby
just one
salmon?
size salmon.
Oh,
They
What?
probably look like evil. Salmon just look kind of evil. I made them look nice, but
what the fuck
Hmm?
color do you think salmon would look like? What do you think a baby salmon would look like?
probably like green. I don't know, gray.
Apparently, it's this.
Is that the right? That's not the right salmon. That's not a salmon. You're gaslighting me. Proof that is salmon.
Here's the salmon life cycle. So they become these red guys, but when they're young, they just kind of look like tiger
Yeah.
trout a little bit.
Interesting.
That's fucking weird.
I read a Bedrock server so I can play crossplay with my daughter who plays on her tablet. Okay, that's like finally
Almost
Bedrock
valid.
doing something good.
No, that's totally fine.
Yeah.
We mainly shit on Bedrock just because of like, it's like
Cause it's worse.
it's like when no, it's it's like how you do the thing with like friends and shit where they're like, I'm trying to think of like one that would be it's kind of like a territorial dispute kind of thing, but like not a real.
It is
issue.
kind of worse, but
It's no okay. So
but
I
it's
would not
not-
play Bedrock. I would
yeah.
not play Bedrock.
But
If you
it's
want to play
not, like,
Bedrock because your friends play
unplayable.
Bedrock, or
Yeah.
because
yeah,
you
like
can't
I
play
used to
Java
play
on
it
your
on. I used to play
console.
Bedrock because I played it on console and I played with friends because we had like a realm and things like that. It's like it's fun.
Yeah, like, you know. Sorry, did I clamp this to the wrong values? I bet I did. I did. Hello.
Okay, I think we make a second
Cool.
medium-sized
Let's
salmon because I don't think we need like a large salmon.
Medium salmon.
Medium salmon bottom text. I'll make them like
Bottom
slightly
text.
bigger.
Yay. Okay. On-screen console works for the most part with the new changes, so it's
Let's
less
go.
computer intensive.
That's good for me.
However, I should. Our max queue size. What would this end up being? I guess I need to take the font size plus spacing, which is the size of each element. And then I need to get the current viewport size. Sorry, is there not just a size? What? Is it give? I think it's give correct. Or I guess I could do window or something. I guess
go.
first off, what the fuck are you? What is this? 1920 by 1080? That sounds about right. Although, yeah, that sounds fine. Whatever. So I'm taking the size.y of that, dividing it by this value, which will be text element size. Text element size is that. I think. Correct? Yes. And then if I can do if the remaining time is that, or I could probably actually just say like if I is greater than or equal to max cube size, we can just add it to the thing and then say continue. I think that should be fine. So I think I should be able to spam teleport until... Oh, I forgot to change this thing. Is there a window resized function or of Signal and Godot that I can get easily?
Don't ask me. I don't know. Hello, is that Sora Garces? I don't know how to pronounce that.
So hard.
Man, I think you need some water.
I'll be honest.
This is true. I don't drink water like enough at all.
Mm-hmm. This is true.
I got some Sprite, but
it's changed. That is really hard to read. My eyes really don't play well with that color of blue for some reason.
That's purple, by the way.
That's not. It depends on, I guess, where you're looking, because I don't think that you're colorblind, and this is definitely a blue.
Wait, where? Where am I? What am I?
This thing on my screen?
Oh, it's definitely purple on mine.
Okay.
No, it's
yeah, I was like,
100%
I don't think you're that
purple.
colorblind, so I don't think that you'd be like, man, that's purple.
That's purple. It's purple on my screen. I think yours is wrong. Well, I'm just sitting here drawing salmon and drinking Sprite, so.
So I can do what? I guess I can do this here.
Maybe I'll go get a glass of water before I end stream. I mean, obviously I'm not ending stream like soon, but
looks maroon at best to you. That might be right. You might be
here. Wait, how do I start a poll?
What?
Can I start a poll? How do I do that?
You have to be an affiliate.
Bruh, I was gonna start a poll on whether I should drink water or not. Well, type 1 in the chat if I should drink water.
Type 1 chatters.
Type 2 in the chat if I shouldn't drink water. And type 3 in the chat if you don't know what water is.
And type 4 in the chat if it should be Dr. Pepper. Type 5 in the chat if it should be root beer. Type that one Arabic backwards question mark if you just feel like typing that.
Who even knows how to type in Arabic backwards check mark or question mark?
I wonder if I can I find it? I don't think you can.
No, you can't.
That's like emojis.
Yeah.
There's not like a Unicode thing, is there? No. Like on Windows, I mean.
No clue.
Max Q size. Is this? I think that maybe just works. Let me kill this.
Good luck, guys. Thank you. We need it.
This is true.
Especially Biddy. You've seen his code.
What? What?
What?
Don't put these lies on my name. Oh, and I never ran the function. Actually, maybe put these lies on my name. They're not lies anymore. They're just truths. I hit F6 instead of F5.
Okay, here's all the different salmon for the salmon card. I think they look pretty good.
Whoa, those are salmons. Let me put this on screen. We can show everyone what you did and we can put it on the fridge. Look at that. Wow. Honestly, the nitro, or the missing nitro quality doesn't really fuck with pixel art too much, so it's cool to show that off.
Let's go.
Yippee! So it doesn't matter that you're streaming and 720p, 30 FPS.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to press the button fast enough. I'll just do this. Player.gg.
And then I'll need to figure out how they're gonna spawn. I was thinking kind of like little water portals would like show up and they'd kind of like go flying out of them.
Yeah, I was also thinking that.
But I don't know how to make that look good.
I'll just make this random high range from like 0 to like 100. Just like give me a random integer so that I can say that this is working every frame. It's off by a little bit. Man.
Let me see if I can find any like references of things that might be similar to what I want to do.
Why is that off screen?
Pinterest, if you're out there, save me.
Save me, Pinterest, please. Save me.
If you can hear me, Pinterest, give me salmon coming out of a portal animations.
I wonder how many of these are off screen. Let's see. I'll just see. The last one is 48, something like that. Okay, yeah. That's just the one. Oh, there we go. That works. Sick. Look at that, JW.
What am I looking at? Oh, that's a lot of numbers.
All of those
does it work?
those are just labels, yeah. Those also those are not labels, sorry. So if I were to go here and resize my window and make it super skinny, it should print all the way down. Yay, and it starts scrolling. Yay! Cool. So it's no longer just a bunch of labels in here. It's custom drawing.
Let's go.
Your I should only queue redraw if I'm doing it only if the text is empty, but I should only do it if the time drops below the threshold or if a new one was added this frame, which I guess would just be should redraw is false. And I can see this live text item dot remaining time is less than 0.5 q redraw. I think. Or sorry, not Q redraw, sorry. Actually, I think Q redraw should be fine there. Because I can just tell it to Q redraw whenever things happen, rather than being a variable. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that should be fine. Oh, oops. They... Oh, oops. I got rid of that part.
Oop, I left Bitty Vision on because I'm dumb.
Yay! There we go. That works. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I think that runs like quite a bit better. I can also... Oh, this will actually have a slight... This might have an interesting effect, actually.
Oh, might it?
Like, for example, if I were to print out anytime a... Let's see, what's something that prints out a lot of text? I'll just print out like the viewport rect. Get viewport rect. So that will reach out really far now. And if I were to also like print out like the get viewport transform, that will end up reaching very far across the screen, which I think is probably fine. If you're printing out something that long, you probably want it to be that long.
Do you
Quite funny,
though?
Huh?
So do you though?
I mean, whenever I've printed something out before, I've been like, man, it's a little annoying that this variable shows up on 2 lines rather than just 1. And I would have preferred it to be on 1 line, but... I mean, I could just add like a safeguard that's like the maximum size is like, what, half of the resolution or like 500 pixels or something. So then it would chop the text. That's annoying. I'm not doing that. Whatever. Yeah, we'll just leave it on 1 line across the entire screen. If it does this, change the font size, I guess. Speaking of which, the font size can be changed. If I were to make this like 64. Now it's printing large text.
Let's go.
Or
Oh yeah, and I messed
teeny
around
tiny
with the
text.
font a little bit. I don't know if it's properly scalable now, but
Should also
it looks fine for now.
set value spacing equals val font size changed. And then I should do this here for font size as well. And for border padding as well. So that when this happens, yay, now this updates correctly. Cool. So you can have teeny tiny text if you feel like reading that tiny text. Beautiful. You can play Bad Apple on that as well if you get creative enough.
Let's go.
Cool. That actually works really well. I'm really happy with that.
Okay, Betty, we have a portal. Look at the portal. It spins. It even has an
Whoa,
animation.
it spins. Whoa, dude, that was a really quick animation. How'd you do that?
Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, this isn't too bad though. If I did just do
Yeah,
something like
it
this
isn't.
and then cleaned it up.
Yeah, it's like offset from the center, but yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's like better, right?
Still offset from the center.
Yeah, but like,
No, I get what you're going for, and it's fine. Don't
Yeah.
worry about it. This dude, this motherfucker.
is it centered now?
I don't know. Okay,
It's
so
centered
it's
now. There we go. Now it's
and
centered.
then I will.
I'm gonna
be a
put this in
good
new,
programmer. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go ahead and say I made these changes, and I'm gonna add them to the thing. Oh, I didn't mean to commit that change. You're not change that I mean to commit. You aren't either.
Make sure this is
You
how I
aren't
want
either.
it to be before I
You aren't.
animate it.
What are you? Why is this? Dude, I don't know why it does this, but I don't care enough to fix it. I feel like I changed something else, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I haven't yet. Menu fixes. And then I wanted to go here and fix the sorting of this because it pisses me off. Because you are supposed to be card name dot lower versus card name to lower.
Cheap viewers.
Cheap
let's
viewers.
go.
Get out of here. Possible ban evader monitoring? Dog, kill that motherfucker. Send him to the crystal now.
True.
Mr. Electric, send him to the crystal now. Okay, yeah, now everything is actually in order except for this gun that doesn't work anymore. Oh. Why did that zoom in? I don't know why that zoomed in. Whatever. I should get rid of the fake gun now because we don't need it anymore.
The fake gun? What fake gun?
Whenever you could spawn in the gun that did like 1,000 damage. This
Oh
one.
yeah.
I don't remember when that stopped working.
I don't know. I like never used it, so I wouldn't be able to say.
You never use it? Damn.
Very rarely.
Yeah. It was useful back. Oh, oops. Man. I killed things that didn't need to be killed. You should not be a duplicate call here. You should be a label. And a button. Thinking about this debug menu. I would love to clean some of this up and like make it more usable.
Yeah.
What if I gave this the default editor theme? That'd be so cool, right?
That would be...
You'd be like, dude, I love that.
No, I wouldn't actually.
Why not?
Because I hate the default editor theme. Sorry. I mean,
It's crazy.
yeah, I know. I'm
Anyways,
crazy like that.
So what if I give this the default editor theme? Nightbot. Yeah,
Nightbot, congratulations.
Nightbot just got 5 from the jump catch game. That's sick. Oh
That's
wow,
good.
this is
That's
funny
sick.
looking.
Oh, that's really funny looking.
Dude, that's so cool. What the hell?
What the helly?
What the helly? What the hellion? Man, then what if I were to tell you, like... How would you feel then?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look weird because you don't have a panel in the background. Ew. GW would hate this if this looked like this forever.
Yeah, I would.
He would like go absolutely.
I'm not even
fucking
looking at it,
insane.
and I can tell you that. What are we working on today? I am drawing a water portal for salmon to come out of.
See, dude, isn't this so much better?
Yeah, that's so much better. Here, guys, you want to see this?
It uses the Godot theme.
Look at this. You can't even read it. That.
I can.
All right, bro.
Yeah, no, and that's not happening. I was just curious what it would
Yeah.
look like.
No, it's funny.
I did not want that shit in there either. That shit's ugly, ugly.
It's very funny though.
It is, yeah.
We do a little silly around here sometimes.
That's almost true.
Almost true. Sometimes we're silly.
Oh shit.
Sometimes
actually,
we
that
silly,
blue
and then we
background's
serious.
fun. Sometimes we hee hee ha. Sometimes we grr.
Hee 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 ha.
Grr.
Mhm.
I guess I could add like categories or some shit so that it's like clearer to see, but whatever. I'll do that another time. There's more important things to work on.
Yeah, this is true.
But like the debug menu is so cool, dude.
Yes, but
I would love it if every game had a debug menu that you had access to as a player. It'd be so sick.
what
It'd be so
Rivals of Aether
awesome.
2 does to a man.
They don't even have a debug menu.
I mean, they kind
Their
of do.
debug menu kind of sucks a little bit. Like, just completely. Their debug menu kind of sucks like ass. Like, really bad.
First, he's like, all games should have debug menus, and then he's like, oh, this game's debug menu
Yeah.
sucks.
It's true. It does suck. It's good, like, to have, but it sucks.
I think we call
Because half the
this
time,
good
it just
for
forgets
now.
what control you're trying to use. My debug menu works because if you spawn in a thing, you can also hold shift to lock it to the
Mhm.
tile. Or if you hold control, you can draw. And you can spawn a bunch of them. Should actually change that to be enemy placement menu. Should be like every like 0.1 second or some shit, I think. I don't think that you should be drawing that every frame. Is this process? This is process. Why the fuck is that crashing? Oh. Why is that crashing? You shouldn't be visible, brother. You should just like not be visible at all. Oh, because I set process, not set physics process. Maybe. Oh, this is gonna be loud. Please don't be too loud. Okay, it's already over. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. Why do I have 2 pings on Discord? Are they important? No, they're your server and they're the rivals grind server.
Play rivals so bad.
They just sent it out to everyone.
Oh, okay.
It's not me in specific. That being said, anytime I show up, they do mention they're like, holy shit, it's the one Maple player in the entire server, and then I leave because I'm scared of people.
Many such cases.
Okay, so what do I work on today? There was a thing that I wrote that I was gonna write down, but I think we were working on fixing your problems, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, what was that?
No clue, just look at the list, I guess.
I am. There's a lot of not amazing things for me to pick up right now because I'm just like, this is like. Oh, you know what? I guess I could do. I could work on some of the enemy spawning stuff actually.
Yeah, that's true, because that stuff like I suck at.
Yeah, so we wanted to have it so that there's a predefined set of enemies with extra points. Do we still want to go with that?
I guess. I haven't thought of anything more. Give me the salmon that come out of it yet.
Okay.
Yes, I can show you. I even have
What?
them in the engine.
Yeah.
Look at these little guys. They're so silly. So they'll flop around and like deal damage. And then if you haven't seen, this is the card for the salmon. It's beautiful.
Whoa. I do want to make that shine.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I think it would look really good with like a rotation thing. Is that in game right now?
Yep. It's in art test.
Oh. Whoa.
Everybody's favorite.
Whoa. That looks fucking sick. In game. Like, whoa. Let's see. So how do we want to set up enemy spawn positions? Do we want that to be something that's in the, like, you define where enemies can spawn? Or do we want that to be like just pick a random spot in the room?
I think we want predetermined spots because we wouldn't want them to spawn in like places that'd be hard to get to or things like that.
Oh, what do you mean places that would be hard to get to?
I don't know, like we might have some rooms that might have like little secret areas where like you can't reach it unless you
Could
get like a
enemies
special
follow
ability
you
or
in
something.
there?
I mean, yeah.
Okay, because I was gonna say we could just pick a point on the navigation region.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah,
But
that should be fine actually. But yeah, because then we wouldn't want the enemies all spawning like in one little cluster in the corner. Or, like I feel like it would just look better if we have
It's
set
just
spots.
predefined.
Yeah, and I mean we
Okay.
could have like like the spots where they spawn could be random. Like it could pick a random spot, but yeah.
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 We will definitely have a pick a random spot. Yeah, okay. I'll do that then. I'll have I guess I'll start with probably the enemy sets. Oh, actually, no. I'm gonna write this down on the list of things that I want to do today. But there is another thing that I want to do first.
Which
November
is
11th. I will do enemy room spawning sets. I also want to make small change to debug enemy placement because debug menu.tsc, and I believe. Do you have the list of enemies? Where's the list of enemies coming from? It is this guy. Here's all the enemies. I believe this is instantiating the enemy here from. Wait. Let's see. Enemy scene. This thing. Okay. So rather than doing this, there's instantiate flags. And I think... What is it by default? It's by default 0, which is edit state disabled. I can have this be edit state something else. I think that would make it a little bit more performant. Not that matters a ton, but... Oh, only available in editor builds. Just kidding. I'm lying like a motherfucker, apparently. That's a little annoying. Damn it. Okay, well, I guess I could actually still do this then, probably. On spawn enemy. Scene.
Maybe this is bad. Here, what if we let's go to distance here.
I wish there was a really quick way to just disable a node's process, physics, process, and... Oh, yeah, sorry, there is. I'm stupid. Sorry. This thing. Duh. They literally made it for you. I wish there was a function for it, I guess, is like the correct words. Like, I wish it was just .disable or some shit, but it's fine. So that should be no processing, which is fine. I don't know if that's going to run the ready function, though. I guess we'll find out. Fuck it. And then I can do enemy preview dot global position equals target. Let's see what that does. That might actually just... I don't think I have to restart the game for that. Well... spawn preview dot hide. Alright, where the fuck am I looking? What am I looking for? It's under menus, right? Yeah. Debug enemy placement. Dummy is there. But he's not being rendered. Why not? It should be 0, 0, right? Yeah. I see. I see. Enemy preview dot You should be in the same place as this. What am I doing this for? Why do I have an else here? And this would literally do the exact same thing. Weird. Oh shit, that fucking works. Wait, that's like sick. JW, check this out.
Okay.
Look at this shit.
What am I, sorry, but, sorry, what? What am I looking at?
Look at this.
What am I looking at?
When I go to place it down, it
Oh.
shows me the preview of the enemy.
Oh, that's really cool. It's like slightly offset. Looks like, but
Not-
it looked like it when you like clicked it, like snapped weirdly. Never mind, I was just seeing things.
Yeah.
That's really sick though.
Yeah. It does still spawn the scene, the spawner in though.
Yeah, that's okay.
Probably fine. Actually, this shouldn't spawn a spawner in, should it?
Probably
I
not.
could just put the enemy in the level, no? Yeah, I can. Instead of the enemy spawner, we can do. We can just like take the enemy view. I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna make a new enemy. Spawned enemy is. Let's see. Instantiate. Spawn the enemy, and you are going to be at this location, and you're gone and dead. And I think that should be it. Hopefully, we'll find out. Here's praying. That looks like that works. But that's like fucking sick. Look at this.
Mm-mm.
Up. He's there. Up. Up.
Oh, whoa. That's really good. Whoa. That's scary.
Dude, and it just works. Wait, that's actually like sick.
That's really sick.
I love the sound of these guys getting angry. They're like a bunch of fucking like I don't know, they're like a bunch of like icicles falling on the ground or some shit, or like I don't know. They're just like some kind of like wind chimes. I just dropped my wind chimes is what happened.
Whoa, dropping the
Oh, and there goes player
chimes.
death. Look at him go. He has no idea what's about to hit him. Poor Dante. Oh shit. Sick. It's actually so cool. Okay. So that is done. All right, enemy room spawning sets. So this will be another data class, as we're going to be defining these in resources. So the question becomes, where does this go? Is this part of level stuff? Is this part of enemies? I think it's part of level stuff because, excuse me, because enemies define the behavior of enemies, whereas this would be defining what goes inside of levels. I think that makes sense. Enemies, level stuff.
I won 5 from the jump catch game. Whoa, I don't know how that even works, but you know, whatever. I'm not worrying about it, you know.
script enemy set. So the idea for this was we wanted to have a definition of what enemies could spawn in a room without making it tied directly to the room. Because currently, let me just run this. I know for a fact, because the seed is set currently, if I run to the left here, I'm going to go into a room that has just the flying guy and the guy on the ground that swipes at you. Unless it's just, yeah, okay. Is there another enemy that spawned? Oh yeah, and the hive as well. You added that recently.
How does orbital velocity work? Why is this so, like, jerky?
Do you have velocity limit on?
No.
You don't. You have radial velocity though.
Radial velocity? No, I don't.
Oh, weird.
Yeah,
turn off everything except for
yeah, I did.
velocity.
It just didn't reset properly. If I turn this off, that messes that up though. Now there's all in the center. So I need this so they aren't in the center.
Yeah, I think it's an issue with that, but
With this? You're saying by doing this?
Yeah.
But now
so
they
what
don't
you
go
can
anywhere.
do. Yeah. So here's what you can do.
Change
You
the
can go
spawn area,
to.
but that's not gonna. Oh, I guess it does work actually, kind of.
Yeah. So if you want them to come out of the center,
Mm-hmm.
I can show you what you can do. If you want.
Yeah.
So first, turn off the position again, though.
Position, yeah.
Like, so they just spawn in the center.
Yeah.
So you can go to. I think it is a radial velocity. I think is what it is.
Oh yeah.
So those will come out of the center
There
now.
we go. Yeah. I see.
Yeah. You can also use a velocity curve so that they start with high velocity and then slow down so that they don't go like flying, or you can do it so they go flying either or.
Yeah.
So for the enemy sets, we want to have an export. I guess I need to think
Is
about
that
how this
A the
is gonna
ant?
go.
Why did you send a moose?
Moose.
Moose.
Hmm. How do I want to define an enemy set? I guess, okay, so we wanted enemies to have a value, right?
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Is that a JW?
What? Huh?
We wanted enemies to have a value, right? Like, this is like 5 points of enemy. This is like 10 points of enemy or something like that.
Yes, I believe so, yes.
So we're gonna define that per enemy then?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm trying to think of how we want to organize the resources for this, because we want to have those stored somewhere. Because they're not just going to be stored on the enemy scene.
Yeah.
Which makes me question, actually. Enemies can be defined in a spot that has like their name, the scene that they're associated with, and anything else they need. We could also have them reference the enemy info. That way it wouldn't have to be defined. I'll worry
You guys
about
are
that
a
later.
moosing? That's so true.
Export var enemies. Well, what would this be, actually? I think this would be a dictionary of packed scene and count. I think. Because that would let you define what enemy you want to spawn and how many of that enemy you want to spawn. I think that works. So under this new folder called... Oh, there's an enemies folder. What are you for? Oh, enemy stats. Dude, guess what, fucker? You've got a friend. Enemy sets. New resource. Enemy set. I'll just call this like simple set for now. So this can be defined as a fire ground. I don't know what the hell that guy's called. Ground enemy fire. Yeah, for sure, dude.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yep. He's got, we'll spawn one of those. And then also the flying.
We could fire them at some point.
Projectile
Yeah,
guy.
they're a little annoying.
They are, yeah. I also would like to maybe do the thing. I would like to have the thing that I had for the other menu where you add things like this, where you can click on it and it'll give you a list of the ones to choose from.
Yeah.
Like it'll pop up the window and you can click it. That's actually, I've been enjoying that one a lot. And then you also need an export of our extra points, I guess. Which I guess would be 0 by default. This is an int. Extra points feels like a weird name, but I guess like extra enemy budget, something like that. I don't know. I think enemy budget sounds fine.
Yeah.
So that will determine how many points we have left after this enemy set has been spawned, so that it's not a guaranteed. Like you'll get this enemy set and it'll pick random ones that would be able to add up to that. So the next thing is enemies need to be defined via their budget. Or we need to have some way of defining an enemy as having a budget.
Yeah.
Which might be a little annoying. Enemies.
At the end, I would send a cat in a box emoji in chat, but my OBS is weird and doesn't let me chat. So just imagine me sending a cat in a box emoji.
Imagine him sending a cat in a box emoji.
Yeah.
That would be beautiful.
Yeah, that would be beautiful.
Ah, damn it, he beat me to it.
The real question is, which one is the better cat in the box emoji? Because there is a right answer.
It's... yeah, one second. Well. What is this folder gonna be? I guess it would be like enemy... I don't want to call it info, but I guess I could just call it info. That feels wrong.
Yeah, you could just call it info.
Yeah, I think I just call it info. Because there's like the enemy info class, but like that's different than this.
Both? Oh, but there's one that's better. They're both very good, but there's one that's clearly better.
Under level stuff enemies. Actually, this would be under enemies itself. I guess I would kind of call this like enemy registration or something. Like this would be like the
enemy registration.
Like it's you know
crazy.
Enemy. It needs to be called something that I can reference, and we already have enemy info. We already have stats info, enemy. Meta, I guess, would kind of be it.
Maybe.
I think that works. Because that explains it as the metadata about an enemy. Enemy meta, resource, add export var name, or enemy name. We're going to give them names now. Add export var packed, or scene, which is a packed scene. And add export var enemy value, which will be an int. I guess they should also probably be broken up by level. Or I guess we could probably just have like a set of flags for like where this could spawn. I think maybe we'll see. So for that, I'll actually just call this. Oh, that's a very cool UI. Enemy meta.
They're the same but flipped. Why are they the same but flipped?
One's for left-handed people, one's for right-handed people.
Oh, okay.
So one's objectively correct, and the other one's for left-handed people.
Okay. Let's see.
What are we calling the ground fire guy? Oh no, well, what are we calling him? What would you call him?
I don't know. You can call him whatever you want.
That guy, this dude. Just whatever, I'll just call him ground imp. That's what we had in the one doc.
Yeah.
Ground imp. And then you will be loaded in here. Ground enemy fire. And then we'll also add a new resource enemy meta, which will be called. Do we have a projectile guy name? Firebat? Sure. So these guys will both have a value of, I think, 1. Because I think that they should probably be like the lowest value enemy in the game. Does that sound fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So these guys are just kind of like shitters that suck.
I love how this room is called Empty Start Room, and then it's full of a bunch of random junk. Definitely not empty.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, because I was testing like procedural generation stuff, and I was like, okay, well, here's an empty start room. And then it was like, oh, I want to add something. And you were like, I want to add something. And so we just kept like testing things out inside.
Yeah, well, that's where you spawn.
Yeah. We should have like a... No, we shouldn't. Yeah, we should. I was going to say we should have like a scene that we just have the game start in while we're doing development. But like, that could have the issue of not being... Like, if something breaks with the level generation, we don't find out about it for like a gajillion and a half years.
Yeah, that's possible.
So the fire spider? Does fire spider work right now?
No.
Who cares? He's going in the list. He's going to though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is he also going to be 1?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. What is his name? Is it just fire spider enemy fire? Wow. Really randomizing the fucking order of things.
Portal thing that looks kind of bad, but it's kind of hard to see. I can add some more particles, maybe make it a little better, but...
Wait, how's that rotating? Are you having it rotate in engine?
So I have 2 frames, one that's 90 flipped by 90 degree, or one that's regular and one that's rotated by 45 degrees, and then so it rotates, it switches the frame and then rotates by 90, so it rotates every 45 degrees. Is the basics.
What? Can you show me the animation?
Brother, bro is so needy.
Brother. I said, yo dog, can I see the animation of the thing?
So
is it only 2 frames?
Yes, it's only 2 frames, and then it rotates every 2 frames in engine.
Oh, I see. Is there a reason you didn't just like rotate it in engine?
Because that looks bad.
I mean, you can still rotate it in those stutter step motions. Like, You could just have the engine rotate at 45 degrees and 90 degrees.
But
and
then it's not. I'm gonna say the word.
Pixel perfect. Pixels.
That is not going to work. Maybe it will. Well, you didn't change the values. They're also set to 90.
Oh, I thought I would like interpolate between them.
No, that was correct.
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Because this one's 90. Oh wait.
Yeah. You're sure.
Yeah, I'm sure, dude.
Well, if you're doing that, wait.
What?
I don't understand you, actually.
What?
Hold on. So,
What do you want?
why is it rotating in the first? Why is it not just, if it's just 2 frames, why is it not just rotating back and forth?
Are you dumb? What? What are you saying? I'm confused.
What do you mean? What am I saying? I don't understand what the fuck. Why is it continuous?
Because I don't know why I changed it, but I did. Don't worry about it. Twin.
Wait, hold on. So it was. I'm trying to understand what the fuck you did. So it's rotating.
So this is what you said to do? It's like this? I'm confused.
Sure. Yeah.
So that looks just as sketchy and not pixel perfect.
Oh my god. You just Control Z to undo them, brother. Or whatever. You got it.
So what do you...
So can you just like step through the animation rather than?
Yeah. Here, let me hide this so it's not in the way.
Yeah. Okay.
How do I...
So zoom in. So I could make it like larger. No, the animation.
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
Or sorry, no, like sorry, not the animation. The sprite.
Oh,
I was
okay.
thinking,
Well,
why are you doing in the animation? Show me this
Uh,
like on the screen. Yeah.
So,
So if you
it
step
goes...
forward,
If
so it goes to the new frame.
This is a new frame. And then it goes
Uh-huh.
back to the old frame and rotates by 90 degrees. So this is 45, 90,
Uh-huh.
and then it does another 45, and then 90, then another 45,
Oh, that
Then
does not
90.
look.
another
Ooh,
45.
It is not giving the correct motion.
What?
Wait, what direction are you rotating it?
Something, so maybe something's weird.
Something's off. Are you rotating it the wrong direction?
I probably am.
Yeah, flip that bitch to positive.
That's probably what I'm doing wrong. That'd be funny.
Nope. That's worse.
That looks right. I'm trying to see.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
I'll
it
leave
goes
you to
that way. And then
Look user, yes sir. You know it. Firebat also has a value of 1. And then the enemy set inside
Wait,
of
why is
this
this-
will have.
why does this look the same as this one? It should be flipped.
Oh, this should not be a packed scene. I'm like stupid. This should be a enemy meta.
Does this need to be like... Why is this frame the... Oh, I see. I'm confused. Oh, it's not the same. Oh, it is the same. No, that's just because... Oh, I see.
I wish
Yeah,
this
that is
showed
backwards.
the
Okay.
preview in here. Okay, new question. Can Godot show you? I set this up to have a custom render preview inside of Godot. Like, can I tell this to render the enemy image instead? Here, resource. Do I have certain things that I can do? Hmm. Oh, thumbnail. That's the word I'm looking for. Found it. Go resource thumbnail. Mhm. I don't think it's in here. No.
My brain is
Well,
hurting, so
whatever.
true, me too.
Why is your brain hurting?
Salmon.
Ah. Cool, dude.
Yeah. Oops, did I accidentally add a... No? Yeah, it's just rotate, that's why. Silly me. Obviously the solution is more frames. That was actually not too bad, it's just fast now. We slow it down a little bit.
Oh, you're not a soul script. You're not going to. Whatever. I don't care enough to fix this. What time did you say you were going to bed, by the way?
Probably around 8:30.
Okay. Let's see. I would like to grab this. We have sticker DB. I guess I should probably have moved these into like a common folder, but whatever. Probably. Enemy DB. Name enemy DB. Static funk.
Unrelated, but once I died, I once drank paper. How do you drink paper? Was it good?
You can blend it.
That's true.
I'm gonna load this from res colon enemies slash enemy meta. The extension will be T-Rex. Am I doing this with a dot or without? I actually don't 100% know. I guess it doesn't really matter, does it?
I think if I add some more particles and stuff, it won't look terrible. It also might look worse because my frame rate's probably really low because I'm streaming. Because Godot hates when I do things.
True.
I blended it with Smarties and milk. It was good.
Ugh.
Okay. Sure. That sounds good, I guess.
I mean, yeah, no, that sounds great, man.
Yeah.
Can you write down that person's username for after the stream?
That is A the ant.
Okay. We can ban them after the stream so that like
Okay.
they don't know that we banned them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they'll never know.
They'll never know.
They'll
Or
never
like so
know.
people don't know that we
Yeah,
banned.
some people don't know, yeah. Ooh, that looks sick. By sick, I mean that looks really bad.
That's how GW responds to like half the shit I do.
Yeah, maybe not half.
70%.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, that's more like it. caves are just really large. Hold up.
Okay, I think that works. Probably. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Nothing's referencing that, so nothing will happen.
Nothing ever happens.
Do we have a good room to add a new thing into? Like room 1, what do you look like? Which one are you? I don't want to fuck with this room. This room's one of my favorites to fuck with. Like, to test with, not to fuck with, though. I hate this fucking room. You're getting affected. Sorry, buddy. You're being displaced. I feel like you're missing like half the shit that we have in the levels now. Maybe not. Question, JW.
Mm-hmm.
If an enemy spawns in a spot, do we want to make it so that nothing else can spawn there? Or how do we want to do it?
Oh, so you mean like it would like take up the spot?
Yeah, how are we gonna do it where we have like
Ooh, maybe.
it's gonna be an interesting one, because if we have like
Yeah, I
8
didn't
enemies
think
that can
about
spawn,
that.
I guess we'll worry about it later.
Yeah, we'll worry about it later.
Let's see. I will add a. Actually, no, you are totally fine. That just be a new script. Yay! Guess what, buddy? New script. New script alert.
New script, new script.
Level stuff. The enemy spawn points. You'll be a funk ready. I will do var spawn points. Is an array of node 2D. Or C input children. If C is node 2D.
By the way, I was like 9 when I did that. Okay, that's like maybe slightly more forgivable. Maybe
9 when you were drinking paper? I'm sorry, man. That's toddler behavior. What do you mean you were 9 doing that? Doesn't like save you from anything. If anything, you had plausible deniability where you could be like, I was a fucking toddler and my parents left some blended up fucking paper on the kitchen counter. It fell over and then my ass drank it up.
bro saying that like he wouldn't drink up some blended paper.
I don't think I would, to be honest with you. I don't think that's the play.
Oh, okay.
That's what's called autism. Dog. Catch me at the right time. Ask me about Rivals 2 frame data, and then I will, like...
Don't do that, actually.
I would talk for hours about Rivals 2 frame data. My ass would never drink paper.
Rivals 2 frame data. I can guarantee you that.
Dude, I literally found some tech yesterday. And then... like, was that really yesterday? I think yesterday I spent an hour writing up a thing about how controller sensitivity works, specifically for left joystick. That was only meant for like me and another person. And then I found some new tech that I didn't know about, and neither did Nasios.
Yeah. Many such cases.
So I would like to grab a random point. You're going to have a thing that is like funk spawn enemy void right now. Well, actually, I would probably have a function called like spawn set, and then I have the level pass the set that it wants to spawn down here. Yeah. Set. Oh, I can't use the word set. I can use enemy set though. Enemy set. Let's see. Enemy set. Dot. Well, actually, I'll make a function in Mu called like get enemies. You'll just like return all of your enemies as in an array, I think. Yeah, you will.
Okay, Biddy, here's the new salmon portal. It's probably gonna be impossible to see on. Could probably make the scale like pulse as well. Honestly, might just like simplify the sprite a bit. I'm just trying to think of what I could do. Make it not like absolutely suck. What if I turn down the speed scale of like all the particles? They're a little fast. I feel a little fast. Does feel a bit better. Yeah, we're a little fast.
Alright, sorry, what's up?
Salmon portal. It's kind of unreadable, but you know, whatever.
It's very unreadable, yeah.
I don't know how to do particles and stuff, but whatever. Someday I'll figure it out.
They're very jittery.
That's probably also because my frame rate's like dying. Let's see. I can figure this out.
No, frame rate's doing fine. Is interpolate turned on?
Yeah, it should be. The frame rate is definitely dying. I don't.
No?
Maybe it's my computer or something. Because if on my screen, it's like visually jittery. Like everything
Yeah, on my screen
is.
it is too.
No, but like the entire game, like everything. Like.
Yeah, I noticed that when I'm streaming on OBS is that on my main monitor the game looks kind of jittery, but if I look over on my right monitor, it looks like smooth as fuck.
Like in
OBS,
OBS, it looks smooth.
Yeah, for mine at least.
Maybe it is. It still feels a little jittery. Though, what if I put the game itself on
why
the
are
other
we,
monitor? Yeah, it still
lots
feels
of
jittery
buttons.
over here, but maybe it just feels jittery. I don't know what's up.
No, I mean like if you look at OBS, does it look jittery still in OBS? Like, while you're moving around.
Maybe not. A little bit, but not really. No.
Okay.
I don't know what's up. It's weird. But either way, yeah, this needs work. It's terrible. What if I just hide the sprite? It's just this. Yeah, I think of the sprite honestly might be the issue, because like the particles themselves aren't bad. It's just the sprite is a
Yeah, it
little
might
too
be
noisy. What if we just do this? There we go, look at that. It's beautiful now. Oh, also some of the particles. I need to fix the. I should add some fading. Some of them
Yeah.
kind of just disappeared because did it weird. But it's getting close to bedtime, so didn't get a whole lot done, unfortunately. But hey, we drew some salmon. That's good enough. Maybe I'll make them flop around tomorrow.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh wait, this needs to be. Fuck! I need to have the enemy spawner scene in here, don't I?
Okay, well I think I'm gonna call that good for tonight. You
Oh, is
planning
that
to
what
keep
we're doing
streaming,
now?
or you want to wrap
No,
up?
I
as well?
don't.
Okay. That's fair.
Not a chance.
This
I
guy
also have to really
hates
use the
streaming by
bathroom, and
himself.
I've been holding on to it for about like 10 minutes because I'm like, oh, we're about to end stream, so I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
that's okay.
Okay, yeah. I'll just add like a little to do here that says like to do spawn enemy from spawner, place add random point, and then after this, do pick random enemies until budget is met. Okay.
Okay, so we will be back on Thursday, also at 6:30
Yes, sir.
p.m.
Probably.
Eastern
Yeah.
time. Okay, good
All
night,
right.
everybody.